fish. Get him. Get him. Uh-oh. It's in the way, isn't it? Hold on. Let's get this out of the way. Now go around in circles. There he goes. Get him. Get him. Get him. Uh-oh. Hit him. He's got to move. Hit him. Hit him. Hit him. There he goes. Get him. Got too many obstacles in the way. Sorry. Let me turn this off for a minute. Here, let's turn that off for a minute. Maybe that'll help. There you go. Go get the fish. Get him. Get him. Like your fishy? Behind you. Get him. Get the fish. Get him. Get that fish. Get him. Hey! He's playing with his little fishy. Get that fish. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get that fishy. Get him. He's running away from you. Get him. There he goes. He's got a new swimming fish. He likes it.